With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The given question is position of a particle moving along x-axis is given by x equals to 2 plus 8t minus 4t square. The distance traveled by the particle from t equals to 0 to t equals to 2 seconds is, the options are 0 meter, 8 meter, 12 meter and 16 meters. So we are given the position of a particle, that is x equals to 2 plus 8t minus 4t square, right? So from here, let's find the velocity first. So we have velocity defined as the rate of change of position of a particle, that is dx over dt. Okay, so we will get d by dt of d by dt 2 plus 8t minus 4t square, right? So from here we will get velocity equals to 8 minus 8t. Okay, so this represents a velocity. So if I plot the velocity time graph, then I will get, see, let me plot the velocity time graph first. So we have, on the y-axis we have velocity, on the x-axis we have time. So see, after plotting the velocity time graph, if I take the area under the curve, or if I integrate this velocity, okay, with the given time interval, we will get the distance. Okay, so now see, we have t equals to 0 and t equals to 1, and this at t equals to 2. So from here we can see at t equals to 1 second, the velocity is 0 meter per second. Okay, if I put here t equals to 1, so 8 minus 8 would be 0. So the graph must be passing from this point. Now we have at t equals to 0, the velocity is 8 meter per second, right? This is 8 meter per second, and at t equals to 2 second, we have velocity as minus 8 meter per second. Okay, so the graph will be combining these 3 points. Okay, so if I draw the graph, it will be somewhat like this. Okay, so we will be having this point is connecting till this thing. Okay, and this point and this thing. So this is the velocity time graph. Now the area under this curve will give me the distance traveled. So for to get the area, we have to just integrate this velocity component. Okay, so we can say the distance d would be given as v dt from 0 to 2 seconds. Okay, so the distance traveled will be equals to, if I do it in parts from 0 to 1, we have 8 minus 8t dt, and here we have c negative area, so it would be minus from 1 to 2 8 minus 8t dt, right? So we will have here, after integrating 8 minus 8t, we will get 8t minus 4t square from the limits 0 to 1, minus here also 8t minus 4t square from the limits 1 to 2. So on integrating further, we will get t equals to, by applying the upper limit, we will get 8 into 1 minus 4 into 1 square minus applying the lower limits minus 0 plus 0, and here we will get 8 into 2, that is 16, and here we have minus minus would be plus 16, and here minus minus would be plus, so this would be 8, and this term would be minus 4. Okay, so from here we can cancel out the common terms, and here we have 8 minus 4 plus 8 minus 4, so from here we can find the distance to be 8 meters, and this is the required answer. Okay, and from the given options we have A, B, C and D. Option B is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.